Hello friends, welcome to Miss Anupuma's channel. My dear students and friends, today in this video I am going to explain you the second lesson of your EVS part 2. Okay, that is Shiv Chhatrapati Maharaj stories, and from that textbook I am going to explain you the second lesson, that is the work of the saints, okay, which is on page number 3. So in this lesson, my dear students, there are total 6 saints in detail it is given. So I'm going to make it into 3 parts, okay. In each part I'm going to complete, or I'm going to cover 2 saints. So it will be easy for you to understand and pay attention. So my dear students, it is rightly said that Maharashtra is the land of saints. Okay, various saints are from Maharashtra. They are born in Maharashtra, and they have taken a very good responsibility to aware the people. Okay. And they sacrifice their life for the welfare of the people by their thoughts and teaching. So my dear students, we'll start the lesson. Okay friends, chalo then we'll start our lesson. Lesson number 2, work of the saints. Okay, my dear students. So, this lesson is completely consists of 6 saints, and in detail we are going to learn about them. The tradition of sons that begin in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokhamela was continued by sons coming from various strata of society. So my dear students, in my previous lesson I told you that the work of these saints helped Shivaji Maharaj to establish Hindavi Swaraj. Okay, Shivaji Maharaj used to give lots of respect to all these saints, and as I told you, Maharashtra is a land of saints. So this tradition of saints has begun in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokhamela was continued by saints. Okay, not only this, but there were other saints also have come into Maharashtra from various level of society. In this group of saints are included Sant Goroba, Sant Sauta, Sant Narhari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Mohammed, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, etc. Okay, and similarly there are various different sons also are been in Maharashtra. Okay, they also came from different levels in Maharashtra. Similarly, not only the men, but women are also has taken part, and they are also been a great sant in Maharashtra. For example, Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanopatra, and Sant Bahinabai Shirorkar are also included. Means even the woman also has played a great role in Maharashtra, being an sant. Okay, the virtues, the teachings were also been very famous in Maharashtra. Okay, so they taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality, and brotherhood. So what these saints has given to us, virtues means values. What values they have given to the society, given to the mankind? That are compassion. Okay, you have to be very compassionate with each other. Non-violence, ahimsa, charity. Okay, dan dharma karo. Service. Okay, equality. एक जैसे समानता रखो. and brotherhood. Okay, भाईचारा, एक दूसरे के साथ भाईचारे से रहो, no fightings and all. Okay, so these were the values explained. These were the values taught by all these saints to people in Maharashtra. Okay, no one is inferior, no one is superior. Okay, so Sant, they said that all these things are equal. Okay, all are equal. All Sant explained that no one is inferior and no one is superior. Okay, कोई ऊंचा नहीं है, कोई कम नहीं है. All are equal. All are same. All are equal. Such was the sentiment that was created by Sant in the minds of people. Okay, these are the teachings, these are the sentiments, these are the feelings which was created by all the Sant in the minds of all the people. Okay, similarly, Samarth Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. Okay, as you can see, many Sants were there in Maharashtra, but similarly Samarth Ramdas also rendered. Okay, he gave his value towards the community and the society by his virtues, by his service which he has rendered in the work of Maharashtra. Now see the picture here. Sorry, Sri Chakradhar Swami. Okay, we are going to learn about him in detail. Now the picture is Sri Chakradhar Swami, as you can look there. Okay, we'll start the lesson now. We'll start the topic regarding Sri Chakradhar Swami. As you can see, Sri Chakradhar Swami. Okay, Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. So students, Sri Chakradhar Swami, he was originally from the Gujarat state and he was an prince from Gujarat. Okay, वो राजा थे, prince राजा from Gujarat. He became an ascetic and came over to Maharashtra. Okay, the meaning of ascetic is tapasvi. Okay, tapasya करने वाले, उन्हें tapasvi बोलते. So he became an ascetic and came over to Maharashtra. From where he came to Maharashtra? He came from Gujarat. He was a Raja, he was a prince, he left everything and he became ascetic and he came over to Maharashtra. He moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. Okay, he moved everywhere in Maharashtra, means he moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. इसका मतलब होता है कि उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र का पूरे परी भ्रमण किया और उन्होंने क्या सिखाया लोगों को? इक्वालिटी. इक्वालिटी का मतलब होता है समानता, एक सर का सबको एक नजरों से देखना, इक्वल. Okay, he moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality to the community. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. Okay, discrimination meaning is differences. Okay, so Sri Chakradhar Swami, what he did, he never believed in any discrimination which is based on gender. Gender means male and female. Okay, male and female are the caste, low caste or high caste. He never believed in that. Okay, for him everyone is equal, everyone is same. So several men and women became his follower. Okay, because due to his teachings, teaching, the people got a very good set of mind and they used to follow him. Not only the men but also the women became his followers. The sect he established is known as a Mahanubhav sect. Sect means like a group, gut. Okay, उन्होंने एक गट तैयार किया था और उसका नाम उन्होंने रखा था महानुभव sect. Okay, so memorable incidents from his life has been compiled in a book titled Leela Charitra. So whatever incidents were very memorable, okay, we can say a very important incidents of his life which can be cherished for others are written, compiled means it is written in one book and the book name was Leela Charitra. The title of that book was given as a Leela Charitra. So this was the Sri Chakradhar Swami. Now we'll go through with the Sant Namdev. Okay, Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vithala. Okay, Vithala. Devotee means भक्त. वो विठल के बहुत बड़े भक्त थे. कौन? संत नामदेव. He lived in a village Nasari. Okay, he lived in which village? Nasari. Okay, he composed numerous songs in praise of God. उन्होंने compose means he has written many songs on the God. Okay, praises of the God. He praised Vitthal. Okay, for him Vitthal was his devoted God, and he composed numerous songs based on Vitthal and performed. Now see the picture, students. Okay, he is Sant Namdev and his God, okay, devoted God Vithala is there. Okay, on the picture you can see that. Look that picture. Okay, he is Sant Namdev, a devoted, great devotee of Vitthal. You can see Sant Namdev. So Sant Namdev performed songs like kirtan songs and stories based on religious theme. He used to perform in the public, the kirtans, okay, the songs and the stories based on the religious theme. Everywhere, okay, everywhere, and brought about general awakening among the people. He used to take the public gathering. He used to give all these kirtans to everyone, and it became like a awakening among the people of the Maharashtra, okay, about God, about the enlightening of the God. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma and brought the people deep devotion to God. He said, okay, he said that to get happiness in our life, we have to be devoted ourselves towards the God. So he moved all over Maharashtra by spreading Bhagavad Dharma, okay, and taught the people a deep devotion to God. देवाची भक्ति, okay, भगवान की भक्ति करना, भगवान की पूजा करना, ये सही रास्ता है हर चीज के लिए. He instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Okay, he made people to understand that whatever religion you are, you have to protect it. Sant Namdev later traveled all over India spreading the message of humanity. Okay, later on he traveled all over, not only Maharashtra but all over India he traveled, and with the message what he was spreading was the humanity, मानवता, मानवतावादी थे वो. ओके, मानवता को बचाने के लिए उन्होंने मैसेज हर तरफ ऑल ओवर इंडिया स्प्रेड किया. He traveled to the Punjab and spread the message of equality among the people there. Okay, even he went to Punjab. He traveled and spread the message of equality, समानता, एक जैसा व्यवहार सबके साथ spread करना. Okay, that was his message among the people there in Punjab. He composed songs in Hindi, not only in Marathi, but he composed songs. Okay, compose means गाने लिखना. Okay, he composed songs in Hindi also, in Hindi language also. Mostly Punjabis know Hindi language. Even today, some of his verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, even today, now also some of the compositions, his songs are there in Guru Granth Sahib. You know that Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. Okay, Sikh people, Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book. His songs are still sung all over Maharashtra. Okay, still in Maharashtra, whatever songs he has composed, people used to sing even today also. His songs are still sung all over Maharashtra with great love and devotion. Okay, means Maharashtra, not only Maharashtra but all over India, he was a famous person, and now also at present also people used to love to sing his songs with great love and devotion. Okay, my dear students, please go through these two sons, whatever I explained you. And in my next part, I'll be completing Sant Jnaneshwar and and I'm going to Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Eknath I'm going to teach you in my next part. So my dear students and friends, if you really like my videos and my teachings, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my next videos. And thank you for listening to me, and keep watching my videos. Stay at home, be happy. Thank you so much.